Hi everyone, my name is Erica DiRamundo and I'm an Assistant Food Service Director for Sage Dining Services. Today I'm going to show you how to make a house-roasted chicken noodle casserole. So our vegetables and our protein for this dish is a 1/3 cup of diced carrots, a 1/2 cup of peas, and 6 ounces of chicken. I'm going to dice our chicken. Now this is house-roasted chicken, which is salt and peppered chicken breast that's roasted at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. Or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Okay, time to make our cream sauce. Okay, so I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Give that a whisk, let it come back up to temperature, and then I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of milk. Once that starts to bubble again, I'm going to add in my cheese. And then we've completed our sauce. Okay. And I'm also going to switch over to a spoon because I don't really want to whisk in the cheese. I want to combine it. There we go. So as the cheese melts and the flour comes back up to boil, we get a nice thick sauce. All right, I'm going to be adding in my carrots, peas, and the chicken. Giving that a good stir. We're going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes or so until it's all brought back up to temperature and the carrots start to tenderize a little bit. While we have that going, you can be boiling your egg noodles. Now I already have mine ready to go. It's about 8 ounces of egg noodles. We're going to add those in once this is ready. Okay, our carrots are now tender. I'm going to add in our noodles and give it a toss. Now we're going to transfer this into our casserole dish. Now we're going to take this and bake it in a 350 degree oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until it's a little lightly golden brown. All right, our casserole is done. It's nice and hot right out of the oven. Now I'm going to put some in my little bowl here. I'm serving these with some crackers, some saltines, or some garlic bread would look nice with this as well. Whatever you like. There you go. Enjoy.